Where are we at, Stephen?
We are at Red River Repair.
And where's that at?
It's in Elkton, Kentucky.
Oh wow, does this take all the air out for you? Really? Wow, that's nice. Is it okay, called a deflator, I guess? Got all the colors of the rainbow out here. We've got blue and red and orange. We've got green back there. We've got all the colors of the rainbow. So they asked me to film from a distance, so I'm trying to be respectful. But we are, for our big belly rebuilds pickup truck, we are trying to get new tires on it. That's what's happening right now. Although we get to see all kinds of farm action here. It's kind of odd in a way to have Mennonites put tires on your pickup truck. It's very different, that's for sure. And it's more scenic than any tire place I've ever been to. All right, we are driving back. Rather, Stephen is driving. I'm just the passenger. We're driving back from Red River Repairs in Elkton, Kentucky, in Todd County, Kentucky. And you can see it's very scenic. We got a lot of farm scenery. A lot of Mennonite farms out here. A lot of corn. They just harvested some wheat, and there's a big silo right there, and so it's very picturesque. I love that word, picturesque. And Stephen, what are we doing today, Stephen?
Well, I spent a lot of money on tires yesterday, and I forgot to let them know I wanted lettered tires. So I have all these paint pens that I got on a deal from a Peterbilt that are unused. It's called TIRE PENZ, and I have greens, blues, yellows, reds, and whites. And so I'm waiting on my parts to come in today to rebuild the front end. I'm gonna put on a steering gearbox and tie rod ends and anti-sway. No, not anti-sway, but what do you call that? A shock. Anyway, so I'm gonna put shocks, ball joints, and a new gearbox on the front end today. Take out some of the looseness, and while I'm waiting, I figured I'd play around and try out some colors.
Wow, that's very artistic. So you were wanting you wanted the Firestone to be all white lettering, right?
Extra reversible pins, blazing orange.
Blazing orange.
Try blazing orange out.
I thought they were supposed to be white, though. I mean, I thought that the letters were supposed to be white.
Well,
I guess you can make them any color you want to.
that's right. With these, you can make them any color you want.
But does it last?
That's the question. Well, as long as you don't curb them or rub them off, they should stay on there. You have to do the proper steps now. You gotta clean. You're supposed to wash them, but these tires are brand new out of the
Yesterday, they were brand new
box,
yesterday.
so I don't see. I'm not gonna wash them, but I got my metal brush here that comes with the kit, with the TIRE PENZ kit. You take this here warm brush and you clean your surface so your paint will stick, and then so when you apply your paint, it will stack.
Steven says that these are like a $12 kit, and it's a TIRE PENZ, and it comes with a metal scrub brush. And what's that bottle of liquid, Steven?
That's reflector.
A reflector. These are like $12 kits, and Steven paid $1 for them. You've had them for a long time, haven't you?
Over a year, I know.
I know, because I remember how excited you came home. You came home with a bag of them. Like, wow, you have a bag of these, and you just paid $1 for them a piece, and they were worth $12 a piece. So you literally saved hundreds of dollars.
Yep.
And so they were at Peterbilt.
Would you look at that?
Wow, look at that.
Don't get so close to it.
So they were these pens were at Peterbilt, is that correct? And you said that they weren't selling.
No, they weren't at Peterbilt. They were at a chrome shop.
Oh, they were at a chrome shop. But you said that they weren't selling because truck drivers didn't want to invest the time to do it.
No, because you see a fat old truck driver in a urine-soaked parking lot on his hands and knees down here painting his big, gigantic 24-inch tires.
No, I don't think I could visualize that.
Well, somehow or another, somebody visualized it, and that's why they bought the pins. But they never sold them because you ain't going to get a fat, lazy truck driver to get out from behind the steering wheel, let alone getting in an old urine-soaked parking lot and getting on his hands and knees and painting the tires.
Probably not.
So that's why they didn't sell.
And so you got them down for $1?
Right.
And they were worth $12. And the kit comes with a little metal scrub brush, like an oversized toothbrush.
Look at the yellow and
That's not yellow, that's orange.
orange and red.
Yeah, that's nice.
Now what happens to my black cat?
So it's called a TIRE PENZ, and it comes with a wiry scrub brush
Find the white. Where's the white?
and a reflector material, and then
Probably have
the
all
pen.
the whites in the garage.
You mean you got another big old bag of these?
Well, I took all the ones that I wanted to keep and put them in the garage. This is a silver streak.